Understanding a scream. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting phrase in the English language, a scream. While the literal meaning of scream is a loud cry or yell, when used as a phrase, its meaning can differ. Let's explore it together. A scream literally means a loud and sharp cry, often as a result of fear, surprise, or pain. For example, she let out a scream when she saw the spider. The haunted house was filled with the sounds of screams. When used figuratively, a scream refers to someone or something that is very funny or entertaining. For example, have you met Jenny? She's a scream. Every time I'm with her, I can't stop laughing. The movie was a scream. I laughed so hard my sides hurt. This is more of a colloquial expression and may not be understood by everyone, especially non-native speakers. It's important to know both the literal and figurative meanings so you can use the term correctly in context. To ensure you have grasped the concept well, let's look at a few sentences. 1. The roller coaster ride was terrifying. You could hear everyone scream. 2. You must watch that comedy show. It's a scream. 3. I accidentally stepped on the cat's tail, and it let out a painful scream. 4. His storytelling skills are a scream, always full of unexpected twists that make you laugh. Remember, the context of the sentence is key in understanding whether scream is being used literally or figuratively. We hope this video has shed some light on the dual meanings of a scream. It's fascinating how one word can have such diverse meanings, isn't it? Now, next time you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language. Until next time,